If you've ever watched diners, drive-ins, and dives, you already know some restaurants completely ignore the idea of too much food. And honestly, that's exactly why people love them. Because places like Sal's Gilbert Pizza don't just make pizza, they build edible chaos. And one of the craziest things they became known for is baked Ziti pizza, which sounds fake until you actually see it. Because somehow, somebody looked at pizza and pasta and thought, what if we stopped choosing between them? So today we're making the lazy crock pot version. No pizza oven, no dough spinning, no restaurant equipment, just a crock pot and bad decision making. Start by boiling 1 pound of Ziti pasta 1 minute less than the package directions, because the crock pot keeps cooking everything and nobody wants pasta that turns into mush. While that cooks, brown 1 pound of Italian sausage and drain the grease. Then mix the cooked Ziti with 24 ounces of marinara sauce, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup grated parmesan, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley. And this is where it starts looking completely unreasonable. Now grease the crock pot with 1 tablespoon olive oil and press 1 pound of pizza dough into the bottom and slightly up the sides like a deep dish crust. Add 2 cups shredded mozzarella directly onto the dough first, because that protects the crust from turning soggy. Then dump the baked Ziti mixture right into the crock pot and top everything with 1 cup provolone cheese, more mozzarella, parmesan, and pepperoni if you want full greasy spoon energy. Then place paper towels under the lid before closing, because crock pots trap steam like crazy and the towels stop water from dripping back down onto the pizza. Cook on low for about 3 to 4 hours, and during that time something magical and slightly dangerous happens. The edges crisp in buttery oil, the cheese melts into the pasta, the sauce thickens, the dough fries underneath like pan pizza, and your kitchen starts smelling like an old school Italian restaurant attached to a sports bar. Then comes the reveal. Lift the lid slowly, and this is the moment. The cheese bubbles everywhere, the pepperoni curls, the pasta locks together like lasagna, and somehow this ridiculous crock-pot experiment starts looking legitimately incredible. Scoop out a giant slice and you get stretchy mozzarella, creamy ricotta, rich sausage, buttery crust, baked pasta, and crispy cheese edges all in one bite. Honestly, it's less like pizza and more like every great comfort food smashed together into one completely ridiculous greasy spoon masterpiece.